Hi, Damian here, Cavity Extraction. We're up here in Barrow today, removing fell cavity wall insulation from a mid-terrace property that has white fibre in there. We're removing the insulation because it's wet and failed, and as we've opened this property up, we found the reason fairly straight away. We found the old sash weights had been discarded into the cavity and the fibre insulation had been installed in around it. So the installer obviously didn't do his due diligence with his boroscope and left the weights in the cavity, as well as quite a lot of rubble. We've removed the insulation and the weights, and we're in the process of now removing any rubble, taking it back to its virgin state. Hopefully that will remove the front of the property, and they have a similar problem at the rear of the property that we'll look at tomorrow. If you've got a problem with cavity wall insulation or would like some advice, please contact www.cavityextraction.com and leave us a note, and we'll come straight back to you, and we'll definitely be able to sort out your problems. Have a good day. Bye bye.